Welcome to this 10-minute butt and abs workout. We are starting off with a quick warm-up of boxer shuffles. You want to keep your core tight and just shuffle from side to side. This workout is organized into two parts. In the first part, we're going to be doing your abs. Then we'll take a break and come back and do that booty. Very good. I want you to drop down into a squat for me. This is still the warm-up. Keep your core tight. Remember to pretend you are sitting back into an imaginary chair. Keep your legs a bit wide and just go with it. You're doing good already. Good job. Next, we're doing hip openers. You want to keep your core tight and pretend you are just lifting your leg over a small fence and switch legs. It's very important to keep your core tight to maintain your balance, or you can hold a wall or a chair to stay standing. Good. Let's go back into those boxer shuffles. Just get your heart rate up, get your whole body warm, because we are about to work. Perfect. You are all warmed up, and let's get started with the first move. This is a preview. We are doing up and down planks. You want your core to be tight, and you are going up and down and up and down. Let's do it. Just go at your own pace. You're doing good. If you start to feel tired, you can just go into a plank position and stay there till the end of the timer. Just a few more seconds. Keep going. Good job. Next, we're going into wipers. You're going to keep your core tight and try to pretend your legs are windshield wipers and you're just going from side to side. Put your hand under your butt to help support your lower back and keep it on the floor. I know, this is one of those moves that looks easy, but then you try it and it can be challenging, but just do your best. Do your best. You're doing good because you are actually trying. Just a few more seconds. Keep that core engaged and keep that lower back on the floor. Good job. Next up, we have straight leg bicycles. You are going to keep your core tight, keep your lower back on the floor, and try to touch your knee to your opposite elbow with your legs straight up. Keep going. Really keep that core tight. You're doing good. You're looking good. Nicely done. Next up, we're doing side plank knee drives. You're going to go into a side plank position and try to touch your elbow to your knee. If that is too challenging for you, do the variation on the right where you just hold a side plank. Hang in there. If this is too challenging, just hold in a side plank position. You will still get benefits. You're doing good. We're almost at the break. Keep going. Of course, we're going to switch to the other side and do it again. You're going to touch that elbow to that knee, keeping your core tight, or if that's too challenging, just hold a side plank. This is really good for your whole core. The whole thing is working to keep your body suspended, and you are going to be so strong once you master this move. You're doing a good thing for yourself. One more move and we take a break. You got this. You're doing good. Lastly, we are doing some sit-ups. You want to keep your core tight and just roll on down and roll back up. That's all you have to do. 30 seconds and you get a break. You can use your hands to support the movement like you see me do. That way you're not straining your neck and your back. Keep going. You're halfway through. Can you believe it? Halfway through this workout. You're doing so good. Boom, there you go. Let's take a quick break, grab some water, catch your breath, pat yourself on the back because you're doing so good. I am so proud of you. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free for you and it means so much to me. Also, check the description box for your freebies. There's always something free waiting for you in the description box. Welcome back. We are going straight into the booty section. You're going to keep your core tight in this suspended position and just gently march like a soldier. A booty soldier. Make sure your core is tight and you want to keep your leg at this 90-degree angle the whole time and really engage your booty as you march. The things we do for a nice booty. I'm right there with you though. If it works, I'm down. Let's do it. Let's get that booty popping, popping, popping. Perfect. Next, we're going to do a lying leg raise. You're going to lay on your belly and just try to raise your hip off the mat. Try to raise your thigh off the mat. Really engage your booty as you do this. You will also feel this in the back of your thigh. Be gentle on yourself. Go through your own range of motion. And if this is uncomfortable for you, I suggest you just lay down and wait for the next move. You're doing good already. Perfect. Now let's get back into that glute bridge position and we are going to do a glute bridge hold. If you can do the whole 30 seconds, do so. If it's too challenging, take a break, but get right back into it. This is the ultimate booty targeting move. Squeeze your booty and just hold it. Keep your core tight as well. Look at the ceiling. Make sure your heels are under your knee. Think happy thoughts. Visualize your booty getting all peachy. You got this. Release if you need to, but get right back into it. Good job. Next up, we have side leg holds. You are going to get into this half side plank position and just hold your leg up like you see me do, keeping your core tight. After a few seconds, release and get back into the position again. Hold for about 5 seconds and then you release again and then you get back into position. Good job. This is so good for the side booty, that hip dip area. This really targets the side of your butt really well. Perfect. Now flip to the other side and we're going to do it again. Just hold it, release, and get back into position. You can keep your other leg straight or you can fold it back, whatever is more comfortable for you. The most important thing is that the main leg that's doing the work is staying suspended for about 3 to 5 seconds. Can you do it? Yes, you can. You got this. Keep going. Last move of the day, horse stance. You're going to stay in this half squat position, hold your core tight, and pretend you're pulling something from your left and from your right. Really brace your core. This move targets both your abs and your booty at the same time. So it's the great ending to a great workout. You've done so well. Hang in there and just go with it. You got this. Keep going. You did it! Was that an amazing workout or what? Come cool down with me. We're doing some lateral hip openers. Just gently sway from side to side. Go at your own pace. You have done so well today. Your abs and your booty, thank you. Next, I want you to stretch out the back of your thigh. Just go into this half forward lunge position and just stretch out the back of that thigh. It's worked so hard today. Stand up slowly and just gently twist from side to side. Get your heart rate down, get your body relaxed. And finally, I just want you to stretch out the front of your thighs. Just hold your leg, hold the wall or a chair if you need it for balance. Keep your core tight and just gently stretch out the front of your thigh. Switch legs. Are done. You completed this workout. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next workout video.